Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AIOSEO for affiliate SEO and rich snippets, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to access the plugin repository. In the search bar, type AIOSEO or All-in-One SEO. Locate the All-in-One SEO plugin from the search results. Click the Install Now button next to the plugin. After installation, click on the Activate button to enable the plugin. Now, you should see the AIOSEO option in your WordPress dashboard menu. Click on AIOSEO to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure the basic settings. If prompted, choose the type of website you are running, such as a blog or business site. Next, you will have an option to connect to AIOSEO for additional features. If you prefer to skip this, you can proceed with the basic settings. Now, navigate to the Search Appearance tab. Here, you can customize how your site appears in search results. For affiliate SEO, ensure you include relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions. Next, click on the Social Networks tab to configure social media settings. Link your website to your social media accounts for better visibility. After that, go to the Advanced Settings section to set up schema markup. Select the appropriate schema type for your content, such as product or article. This setup is crucial for enabling rich snippets on search engines. Next, navigate to the Sitemaps tab to enable the XML sitemap feature. Make sure the sitemap is active, as it helps search engines index your site. Save your changes to ensure everything is up to date. Now, it's time to optimize your individual posts. Edit a post or page where you want to implement affiliate SEO. Scroll down to the AIOSEO meta box below the content editor. Add a focus keyword that reflects the topic and is relevant to your affiliate products. Write an engaging SEO title and meta description that include the keyword. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.